Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use voice typing on Samsung Galaxy S24. So here is my Galaxy S24 Ultra and I will go to the Google Messages app and I want to write a message using voice typing. But first we need to have here in the left corner on the navigation bar a little mic icon. And to enable that icon, you need to go to settings and here go down and tap on general management. And here go down and we have here Samsung keyboard settings. Tap to go inside, go down again and here we have voice input. Tap to go inside and now select Google voice typing and go back. And again, and now I'm back in general management and now go to keyboard list and default. And here you need to enable keyboard button on navigation bar and I will show you what this means. Just tap here to enable. Now go back and tap on the messages bar. And now as you can see, I have here a little keyboard icon. Just tap on it. And from here, now you can select Google Voice Typing. Just tap on it and say your message. Hey, how are you? Everything is fine. And I sent it. And also here we have some settings. You can block offensive words and also you can choose your favorite language. Now I will go back. And now I will go to this settings icon and this is the Samsung keyboard. Tap here and I will go back to voice input and also you can select Samsung voice input. Now let's go back and again and as you can see here I have a little mic. This is the mic icon and now this is the voice typing from Samsung. To use it, just tap on it and when it's over, tap again. Let's see how it's working. Hey, how are you? Everything is fine? I miss you. Okay, and I send the message. I forgot to tap again to stop the message. So as I told you, you need to tap again to stop the message. Okay, let's do it again. Hey, how are you? Everything is fine. And now I stop it and you can send the message. Okay, now to change back to the Google voice typing, just tap again on this settings icon. Go down to the keyboard settings and here we have voice input and select Google voice typing or none. If you select Google voice typing and go back, we have a different mic icon and to send the message, tap on it. Hey, how are you? Everything is fine. And tap to pause. To speak again, I miss you. And tap again to stop. And if you want to go back to keyboard, just tap again on settings, go to voice input and now select done, go back. And as you can see, now I have the keyboard icon and also from here you can select Google voice typing. It's a little complicated in my opinion, but you can use this feature and it's working. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.